Hello everyone and welcome back to 25 Days of Sparkle, day 20. I can't believe we're already on day 20. It is day 2 in Disneyland and it is like almost 1 p.m. I have just literally taken it easy. I really wasn't feeling good after day 1. I think I just pushed myself too much and I woke up and I was just in so much pain and not feeling good. So I slept in, took it easy. Alice is working at chaos going on. And then I finished editing day 18. I'm still playing catch up. So that should be ready in about, I think it should be processed to 4K in about half an hour. So I think by the time I get to Disney and everything, I can post it so you guys can go watch it. I'm very excited. Quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing my factory 55 ears, which are so cute. They have Sleeping Beauty Castle. Alice, it's okay. She's just working at stuff. It's crazy time right now. And then I have on my Cinderella wishing star necklace. I don't know if you can see it there. Perfect Ella Cinderella bracelet, and that dress that you guys have seen me wear so many times. I got my Loungefly It's a Small World fanny pack. I'm just wearing it like this because it's easy. And then Disney Christmas bracelet with my magic band and Cinderella the carriage earrings on there. So all this stuff going on. I feel like I'm really behind today because I chose to obviously take it easy and edit, and now I'm just heading to Disney now, but I really needed that for my body just to relax and kind of calm down a bit because I was in so much pain and I have taken some painkillers. I am going to avoid drinking as much coffee because I think that's what made me push myself so much because I had all the caffeinated energy. Doing that to try it because my body was getting really pain and tired. So that's why I think I said in my last video, it's like a double-edged sword. So I gotta be really good at limiting amount of caffeine and really just focusing on how my body is feeling, because even though I really want to spend every second in Disney, I have to be smart because my body can only handle so much. So I gotta take it easy, chronic pain life. But anyway, let's head to Disney and I'm so excited. We're gonna go back. It's just such a gorgeous day. Walking over with this cutie on our way to Disney. I am obsessed with my ears. The first time ever wearing them to the park. Isn't that cute, Alice? I'll talk to you guys later. Just got my photo taken and the parade's gonna start soon, so we might actually circle back and get a Starbucks and watch the parade. So we might cut through here again. So I think that would be a good plan of action because I didn't get to really see the parade yesterday. So I'm gonna see if I can be fast enough and get something to eat because I haven't had lunch yet. And the parade starts at less than half an hour, so we'll see how lucky I get. Oh, we're passing by. Okay, look. That's Snow White's wishing well, which is really cute. So let's see. Couldn't find anything to eat, but I got Starbucks. And I'm waiting for the parade to start.
Hello, hello, and happy holidays to you too, and to you, and you. Special magic at Christmas time. Just look out there below. You got that right, boy. A whole bunch of future bakers as far as the eye can see. Well, hey there. How you doing? You can say that again, Pluto.
I need a present request. What's Santa delivering this year?
Hello everybody. Hello folks watching in. Be good. Santa's watching. Yes. Santa loves you very much. Hello. You know the words to Jingle Bells? I bet you do. Everyone sing along. Jingle bells.
Hey guys, oh my gosh, I got so emotional during the parade. I don't know if I really captured it. I was like on the verge of tears. It's just such a dream to be here. I can't even believe I'm here, and like I got so emotional. I don't know why, but like it was just, it's really special to be here, and I feel so blessed. Thank you, God. Like I'm really happy, and it was just so magical and beautiful. I booked a reservation at Carnation Cafe again because I haven't had lunch, and it looks like it's a 15-minute wait, so not too bad. And so hopefully I get something to eat. And then I was able to book, I'm using the Genie, what's it called, Genie Plus, something like that. So I booked some ride, like one ride, and I think I'm gonna try to book It's a Small World. I wanna go on again without 100% like filming it, just because I feel like you can get fully immersed in it. And I know I filmed it yesterday for you guys, so you could kind of see it, but I wanna do it not really fully vlogging this time, just so I went back on Pirates last night without filming, and I got really fully into it. So I wanna do It's a Small World again. And yeah, I'm excited, but oh, I can't believe I'm here. It's just the most magical place. So, and if you're like me and you've always hoped to visit Disney at Christmas, dreams can happen. It can happen. And I hope you are able to visit here one day soon too. And so that can happen for you. I feel really blessed that I got to go here. So I'm just so thankful. And hopefully these vlogs, if you do want to visit, hopefully I'm able to I feel like I'm visiting it with you guys, which is really special. So if you notice, I'll say we. I feel like I'm taking you all with me. So hopefully that doesn't sound cheesy or anything, but yeah, I just feel like it's really fun just to explore it with you all. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see what else happens during today. Like, I can't believe I'm here. I had a lovely time dining at Carnation Cafe again. For lunch this time, instead of Mickey waffles, I got a sandwich, allergy-friendly menu again. So convenient. There's so many options, and it was so delicious. I also got a fruit salad, a Diet Coke, and later on, a green tea to go. I love the spot I had. It was right in the back corner, and I got to spy on all the things happening on Main Street. Guys, so I went back just to grab my coat, sweater, and still got my tea from Carnation Cafe. And I'm gonna go try to go on Snow White. And then I do have some of my other rides booked. So those are coming later, including It's a Small World. I got it with the Genie Plus, so very excited about that. But I want to ride, yeah, Snow White is like on my list. So I'm gonna wait in that line, and hopefully it's not too bad. Can't believe I've come to Disney like 2 other trips and I've never been on the carousel. So I'm gonna see how I do. I think I might get a little dizzy, but I'm just gonna see how I do on it and we'll go from there. I'm so excited. The carousel is so beautiful. I didn't even know they had paintings from Sleeping Beauty in the carousel. So when I got on, I was admiring all the beautiful paintings. You can kind of see it in the far back behind the horses where those are. And oh my gosh, it's magical. I was a little dizzy already looking at it moving. So I was like a little nervous about going on it, but I'm so glad I did. I had a lovely time. After the carousel, I waited in line to get my photo taken at the Sword in the Stone spot behind the castle. I love it there, and it was so cute because the same photographer who had taken my photo in front of the castle in the morning was there in the evening, which was a cute surprise. So I'm heading over to It's a Small World. I'm not feeling good. I think I overdid it with the ride. And yeah, but I'm gonna go on It's a Small World and just kind of see how I'm doing. It's a relaxing ride, so see how I'm doing, but just, yeah, it might be time for me to head back. We'll see. It was so magical going on It's a Small World at night too, with all the lights up. And when I got off the ride, it was 7 o'clock, and I didn't realize that at 7 o'clock, there's this beautiful light show that happens on It's a Small World. Like, look at the gingerbread part. So cute, totally unexpected. So I had to stop and watch it. After watching it, I did a mobile order to French Market just to pick up some late night dinner as well as a drink. So I was excited for that. I also wandered through here, which is the princess area. There's a royal theater, and you can meet the princesses over on the right side. I love this Rapunzel tower. She's so cute. You can see her peeking out there and her hair falling all the way down through the tower, kind of twirling about it. This area is so pretty. I'd love to take some photos here, actually. I think it'd be really cute, especially at night with all the lights. Love it. And I also took a peek at Haunted Mansion again. And then I did leave pretty much after getting my mobile order. I actually took the mobile order home with me and had it at home, and I just rested a ton. I really wasn't feeling good, so I didn't get to end the vlog today, but I will end it here for you guys. I hope you enjoyed day 2 of Disneyland. Wish you a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.